previous lesson, we started with sets and we had types of sets. I gave some of them, I think. Yes, we have worked empty set, finite and infinite sets, and we were talking about subsets, I think, yes?
Yes, teacher.
And did you write this one, or did we talk about what is a subset?
I wrote.
Okay, so we have talked previously.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, now here we have some important points for the subsets. It says that the empty set is a subset of any set. So first subset of any set is an empty set, okay? You can count an empty set as a subset of any set. If there is at least one element in a set A that is not in set B, then A is not a subset of B. So for example, I'm writing here, let's write here a set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. And set B, it's let's say 1, 3, 4, 5. Look, I have 1 in A, I have 1 in B. I have 3 in A, 3 in B, 4 in A, 4 in B, but 2 is not in B. 2 is element of A, but 2 is not element of B. Then A is not a subset of B. Okay, one element is enough for us to say that is not subset of B. Every set is a subset of itself. So you can write A is subset of A. And if A is subset of B and B is subset of C, then A will be subset of C. Yes, it's understandable?
Yes, because
yes.
it's
Yes. So here, one more time, empty set is subset of any set. A set itself is a subset, okay? And what we said, one element is enough for us to say that it's not a subset. For example, one element in A is, if it's not in B, then A is not subset of B. And if A is subset of B, then B is subset of C. Then we'll say that A is subset of C. And now here we have number of subsets. How we can write the subsets of a set? It's an easy way to write subsets of a set A is to form the sets by choosing the elements of A one by one, by twos, by threes, and it goes like that. For example, how we'll write? Here we have example. Write the subset of the sets A and B. So subsets of A. Now what we said, empty set is a subset of any set. So we will start with empty set. Then what it says, one by one, the elements one by one. So A will be a subset, B will be a subset, then by twos, A and B will be a subset of A. So these are, because we have only two elements here, we can write like this. So these are the subsets of A, all the possible subsets of the set A. Okay, what will be in B? Subsets of B. So again, I will start with the empty set, then one by one. Firstly 0, then
1 and then 2.
Then 2, then 2 by 2.
Oh, 0 and 1. 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
2 and 0.
2 and 0, 0 and 2, and then itself.
Yeah.
And that's all. So let's see how many subsets we have in A. 1, 2, 3, 4. In B,
1, 2, 3, 7.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. subsets.
This also counts as a, okay.
So here, let's see how many elements we have in A. We have 2 elements, 4 subsets. In B, how many elements we have?
We have 3 elements.
3 elements.
8 subsets. So can you see how it goes?
2
Yes.
to the power of 3
It's
or not?
4,
2 to the power of
cube
3.
is 8. So here I have my. So we can write in
To the power of n.
yes. If the number of elements of a set is n, number of subsets will be 2 to the power of n.
Power of n.
Yes. I didn't take the attendance. If you're writing this one, let me take the attendance while you are writing. Did you understand it?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher,
Yes.
can you explain only how we count them? How many subsets are there?
Here, look. Did you understand how we write the subsets, how we form them?
Yeah.
We start with empty set, one by one, and then itself at the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4 subsets I have here. For B, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 subsets.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
You're welcome. Now Yusuf is here. Yusuf? Anita?
I am here, teacher.
Okay. Alexander?
Here.
Iva?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Elza?
Here.
Amra?
I'm here.
Ona?
I'm here.
Stephanie?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Kibariye?
Here.
Inga?
I'm here.
Ardita?
I am here, teacher.
Arta?
I'm here.
Okay. Giovanna?
I'm here.
Lisa?
I'm here.
Stanislav?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Salman?
I'm here, teacher.
Rümeysa?
Here.
Sara?
I'm here.
Ermal?
I'm here, teacher.
Hamza?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay, Hamza. Besan?
Here.
Yusuf? Yusuf? Yusuf is not. Okay. So can I continue to the next one?
Yes.
Yes.
teacher.
Yes.
Okay. So here, as you see in the example while we were writing the subsets, we have one of the subsets is equal to the set itself. Yes, the last one, it's the set itself. So we call this subset improper subset. Improper subset. And the others are called proper subsets. So the subset itself, the subset that is same as the set itself, it's called improper subset, and the other subsets are called proper subsets. So here we have, as we wrote, the number of subsets of the set A is 2 to the power of n. The number of proper subsets of A is 2 to the power of n minus 1. the number of subsets of any empty set is 1, which is only itself. Yes? Now here, as you can see in the example, one set is given and some elements of the set is given. Find the number of subsets. It doesn't say to write the subsets of the set, only the number of subsets. So how many elements we have here? What do you think in A?
4.
4 elements.
1 empty, 1, 2, and
3, 4 is, look here. This one is 1 element.
is in 1.
Yes, they are in a bracket. So this is 1 element. So n of A is equal to 4. Then number of subsets will be 2 to the power of 4. Or let me write like this. 2 to
16.
the power of n, 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. So here, if you will try to write all the subsets, you need to have 16 subsets for this. It's okay? Did you understand this one?
Yes.
Yes.
Did you understand why it's 4 elements here?
Yeah, but teacher, why 2n minus 1 in the second problem?
Here it says proper subsets. If you are trying to find the proper subsets, one of the subsets of a set is equal to the itself. So this subset is called improper subset, and the other subsets are called proper subsets. Okay? For example, here, let's go back. This one is an improper subset. And the others, these 3, they are proper subsets. So to find the number of proper subsets, what we'll do, we'll subtract this one, and you will have, for example, you have 2 to the power of 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3 proper subsets we have. It's okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now let's see here, we have some different examples. Here, if a set A with n elements has 63 proper subsets, find n. The number of proper subsets is given. We need to find the number of elements of the set. So what is the formula for proper subset? 2 to the power of n minus 1. Yes? So 2 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 63. It's given here.
2 to the power of n is equal to 64.
2 to the power of n is equal to 64.
Teacher, we
Therefore,
64 is 2 to the power of 6. Take them all of you this one. There was 6 root of 64 and you have done like directly 2. Yes? Then n is equal to
n is equal to 6.
6. So A
6. So it has 6 elements.
6 elements. In A we have 6 elements. Here in the other example, it says find the number of proper subsets of the set A if it has 2 to the power of 3 and minus 8 subsets. Number of subsets are given. We need to find the proper subsets. So what is the number of subsets? It's
Teacher,
power of n. Yes?
yes.
Yes.
So 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 to the power of 3n minus. It's clear?
Yes. You know, yes.
Here, because the bases are same, n is equal to 3n minus 8. Then I will take 8 this side, 3n minus n will be 2n, then n will be 4. So there are 4 elements. We found the 4 elements, but we need to find the number of proper subsets, which is 2n minus 1, 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. So it is 16 minus 1, which is
15.
15.
Okay? It's okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Others, are you here?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Teacher, we have 5 minutes left. Let's talk about my.
Oh, Alexander be. Oh, Alexander be.
Because Alexander won't sleep tonight.
Alexander, in the first parents meeting, you will have these marks, okay?
Three. Teacher, write one to Alexander.
It was the easiest exam that you may have. No makeup for this because you had lots of chances there. And Alexander, 60 points. It's not bad because you are very active and you have sent me your homework. Your oral mark will be 4, and it's enough, I think, for the first mark. Okay.
So my first mark will be 4, teacher.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Ne, eu loše tu uživaj, je.
Ma ne možem 5.
Da, vej.
Alexander is like Arta. Also, last year, Alexander always has something with 60 points. And then
Yes, teacher, on exams, I don't know. How can I get 5 on exams, teacher?
study.
Đuro mafija.
Juros.
Now,
Da rešenje za sve uvrate.
So, teacher, when my parents see my grades in math, I will have 4, right?
yes.
Ok, teacher
Don't
Alexander
tell
will
them
be
about
like.
the points.
Now let's, this one is the last slide. Let's finish this. One more type of sets is equal sets. The sets A and B are equal if and only if they have the same elements. I mean, we are not talking about the number of elements, exactly the same elements. For example, here, A is given with the set builder form and B is given with listed form. If I will write A in listed form, what will be the elements of A? X is between 5 and 9. 5 is not included. So we'll start from 6, 7, 8, and is included. So as you see, A and B, they are exactly the same sets. They have exactly the same elements. So we call these two sets equal sets. But if the number of elements are same, we call them equivalent. Okay, for example, here, A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, and B has given with some shapes. But number of A, N of A is 4, and NB is 4. So these...
They are equivalent.
Yes, they are called equivalent sets. Did we understand the difference between them?
It's the number of elements, not what
Yes.
numbers are.
No, it's not important what's inside, just if they're the same.
Yes.
Yeah, from the count.
If you have exactly the same elements, they are equal sets. If you have the same amount of elements, it's equivalent sets.
Okay.
Teacher.
Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we are finishing here. I will try to finish checking the other exams also for today. Okay. If my eyes and my brain will not.
Teacher, go rest. You can send the results later.
Okay,
We don't make problems.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. See you then. Okay.
Goodbye, teacher.
Have a nice day. Wish us luck on the exam, teacher.
Can I ask you something?
I wish you get real good marks. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Teacher, for math or
Goodbye.
other
Have a nice day.
subjects?
What?
For math or other
All the-
subjects?
All the subjects.
All the subjects. Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, teacher. I'm sorry to bother you. Can I ask you something?
Yes.
It's kind of off topic.